Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can disable or remove ads from BlueStacks. This is going to be a very quick video. So first thing you need to do, guys, you want to open your BlueStacks. Okay, so after that I'm going to wait a few seconds. Okay guys, after you open the program, then what you guys need to do is you can see there are a lot of like advertisement here, a lot of ads here in the right, as you can see, and also you can see like popular games to play. Now these popular games are like sponsored by BlueStacks. So like a lot of like companies pay BlueStacks in order for these games to appear in the BlueStack program. So that's exactly how they make money. Okay, so that's how BlueStacks make money. Anyway, now you want to click here on this gear as you can see in the right, and you want to click on it, and here you want to click on preferences. Okay, now after, guys, you click on preferences, you will be able here to see in the platform here allow BlueStacks to show ads during the gameplay. So what you guys need to do, you just need to disable it. Okay, just toggle this off, and then you want to click on disable. Okay, now you remove the ads, as you can see, to show, like, as you can see, allow BlueStacks to show ads during the gameplay, so they are not going to distract you anymore. Okay, so after, guys, you disable it, make sure you click on save changes here at the bottom right, and now as you can see it says here save changes are saved. Now that's exactly, if you click here on advice, you will find a lot of settings here that you can change, like for example like the graphics and shortcuts, and you can also change like the preferences. If you click your preferences, you will find a lot of settings here that you can change. Make sure, like, after you do anything here, make sure you click on save your changes. Okay, so you can also change language here. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how you can remove or disable ads from BlueStacks 5. Okay, hopefully this one helped. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next video.